In the previous discussion, I said that reference is implicit pointer. But remember that the reference and pointer are altogether different. Using pointer, we can do many things in programming, while a reference is useful only for passing the parameters to the function. It is a better alternative. Reference is the better alternative for pass by address mechanism. We have studied this pass by reference mechanism in previous session. Let us see the difference between pointer variable and reference variable. In this example, I declare x as an integer data type. I assign the value 10 to it, and after that I have created a reference variable, namely m, for variable x. Let's see what we have done in this program. I have displayed before incrementation value of m and value of x. After that we have incremented the reference variable m, and again we have displayed m and x. Execute the program up to this step and see the output at DOS prompt. Before increment, the value of m is 10 and value of x is 10. After incrementing m, the reference variable m, we got m is equal to 11 and x is equal to 11. Is it clear? Well, observe the second part of the program. Here we'll study the behavior of pointer variable. I have declared another variable, namely y. It is an integer type of variable and value is 20. There is no need of this z variable. I'll remove it. Now I declare a pointer variable ptr. It is an integer type of pointer. I mean, this pointer variable is pointing to the integer type of data, and I assign address of y to this pointer variable. So after this assignment, ptr pointer is pointing to the variable y. Is it clear to you? Well, now this time what we'll do, we will increment the ptr variable and we'll see the effect. Okay, so before increment, let us see what happened. Press F4 key to execute the program up to this ptr++. See the output at DOS prompt. Before increment, ptr contains this memory address. This is the memory address of variable y. Star ptr means ptr is pointing to variable y and content of that variable is 20. And last statement is displaying content of variable y. Again I will show you these statements. What we are displaying? We are displaying ptr, star ptr and y. Ptr is pointing to the variable y. What we are displayed? Ptr is pointing to y, so ptr should contain address of variable y. So that is this address. It is displayed in hexadecimal notation. Star ptr means the variable to whom ptr is pointing and content of that variable. So ptr is pointing to variable y and content of y is 20, so 20 is displayed over here. Next one is, I'm directly displaying content of variable y. We have assigned the value 20 to it, and that is why 20 is displayed over here. Is it clear? Let us see what I am doing. I am incrementing the ptr, pointer variable. See the effect of this one. Execute the program up to this step and display same result again. When you increment pointer variable, the content of pointer variable is increased by 2, because this is a integer type of pointer, and we know that the size of integer variable is 2 byte, and that is why when we increment this type of pointer, incrementation is of 2 byte. It is of 2 bytes. Is it clear? Star ptr is 20 over here, but here we got the garbage value. Because address has changed and this location is different. Here there is a garbage, and that is why that garbage is displayed over here. And there is no effect of pointer increment on the value of y. Is it clear to you? I would like to show you everything with the help of diagram. Let us wait. Let us study the concept with the help of diagram. The variable x is an integer type of variable. That is why it will occupy 2 bytes in the memory. I have shown this one with the help of 2 boxes. You see, we have stored a value 10 inside the variable x that I have displayed over here. The value 10 will be stored in a binary notation in these 2 boxes, in these 2 bytes. Okay? We have created a reference variable m for the variable x, and that is why I have shown this one m or x. When you increment the reference variable m, the value of x or m will be 11. Is it clear to you? Well, now let us see what happened in case of pointers. Pointer ptr is pointing to the variable y. Variable y contains the value 20. It is an integer type of variable, and that is why it will occupy 2 bytes in the memory. The starting memory location, starting memory address of the variable y is this one. Since ptr is pointing to y, and that is why this address is stored over here. Is it clear to you? Let us see. Content of ptr is this value that I have shown over here. Star ptr is equal to 20. Ptr is pointing to y, and hence what is the meaning of star ptr is equal to 20? The variable to whom ptr is pointing, content of that variable, ptr is pointing to y, and content of that variable is 20. That is why 20 is displayed over here. Is it clear to you? Well, in the third statement I have displayed content of variable y. That is nothing but this value 20. Is it clear? Well, now you see, when we increment this pointer variable using plus plus operator, so after doing ptr plus plus, let us see the changes. Address of ptr will become this one. You observe last digit. Here it is 2, here it is 4. When we increment integer type of pointer, the content of the pointer will be incremented by 2 bytes. What is the content of pointer? It is the address. So that address will be incremented by 2 bytes. If we increment float type of pointer, then incrementation of 4 bytes. If it is double type of pointer, then content of pointer will be incremented by 8 bytes. Is it clear? This is a pointer arithmetic. So here our pointer is integer type of pointer, and that is why the incrementation is of 2 bytes. Clear this point? And hence after incrementation, pointer ptr is pointing to this memory location. Is it clear to you? Observe this 4. But this is a garbage. We have not initialized this memory location. It contains garbage, and that is why this 11 is displayed. Is it clear to you? What is the value of y? It is still 20. So if you increment the pointer variable, content of y won't change. It is still 20. But if you increment the reference variable, the content will be increased by 1. Is it clear to you? Understood the difference between pointer variable and the reference variable?